Starter templates in WordPress for quick setup. A starter template in WordPress serves as a pre-designed layout that helps users quickly set up their website with minimal effort. It provides a foundation to build upon, saving time on design and development. Here are the key functions of a WordPress starter template. Key functions of a WordPress starter template. Pre-built design and layout, customizability, faster website setup, responsive design, integration with plugins, consistent look and feel. Pre-built design and layout, starter templates come with pre-configured sections, pages, and themes. They often include homepage layouts, header and footer designs, blog post templates, and other common elements, making it easy to set up a site without starting from scratch. Customizability, while they provide a basic structure, starter templates are often customizable, allowing users to tweak colors, fonts, images, and other design elements to match their branding or style. Faster website setup, starter templates save time by giving users a ready-made framework, allowing them to focus on adding content rather than building the website structure. Responsive design, many starter templates are built to be mobile responsive, ensuring that the site looks good on both desktop and mobile devices. Integration with plugins, most starter templates are designed to work seamlessly with popular WordPress plugins for SEO, e-commerce, forms, and more, making it easier to add functionalities to the site. Consistent look and feel, starter templates help maintain a professional and cohesive look across the website, providing a uniform design that can enhance user experience. By using a starter template, both beginners and professionals can build a website more efficiently, with the flexibility to modify it as needed.